Hi, little babies. Hi, Lovey. Oh, what's that big mama dog doing? Hi, little babies. Oh, you're silly. You're knocking your baby all around. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie pie. Nice, sweetie pie. Oh, little tiny thing. Hello, little sweetie weetie. Yeah, she's been eating good. Oh, is she ever sweet. Oh, some of them have turned really tan already.
Oh, look at them puppies coming out now. What's going on? Where's the puppies?
Hi, cuties. What's the cuties doing?
What's the puppies? It's on a tail wagging going inside.
Hello, little babies. Look at the little tails. Oh, hi, little babies. Hi. Aren't you cute? How cute are you? Hi, sweetie. Actually, I think this might be the little girl that's available. Hey, Bri, could you pick that little one up there? That little tan one? Here she is. Here she is. Yeah, so this is a little baby girl that's not chosen yet. She's available. Oh my goodness, is she ever cute?
Beautiful.
He's beautiful, little baby.
Oh, nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Mama said, look at me, I'm beautiful.
Is that color? It is. It's color. It makes her look like her eyes are runny, but she's got color running down. Isn't that hilarious?
She's beautiful.
Oh,
tail just wagging on her back.
Oh,
Wagging, I'm dragging. She's a nice puppy.
Oh, she's a sweetie. I can hear all of Remy's pups in the bike. Get a close-up look at that face. Hi, cutie. Yeah, hey. Sweet baby. I think she's the only one we have available from Abbie's litter now. Isn't that bizarre, eh? It looks like she's got... It's color. Oh. Do you hear some babies, honey?
Look at this. Look at this.
Dixie's looking.
What's that tail wagging in the entrance going on? Hey? Oh, what's Mommy barking about? Hey? What are your puppies doing? Your little carpet ride.
So I'll have to bring all the little babies out one of these days, and I'll give everybody an update on their little pups.
Puppies doing?
We're just heading back to
nice ones.
Take Remy's babies back. They've had a big visit day, and microchips and worming and getting visitors picking them, and so it's been a crazy busy day. So we'll do visit videos another day of individual pups and give everybody an update on their little babies. Hi guys! Oh my goodness, some cute little babies in there. Yes, there is. Hi guys. This is somebody zonked right out in there. Hi. Oh my. Did you hear Mommy? What was Mommy doing? Mommy was making funny noises out there. Hi. What's you doing? Waggly tail, baby. They're so sweet. This one's looking very much like Abbie. Look at that little face. They all started out fairly dark-faced, and now look at them getting their tan in. Woo! Oh man, too funny. Hi, what are you doing? Are you the guy that used to have like a little eagle mark on the back of your neck? I think you could have been. I think you are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're very cute. Oh man, they're beautiful little babies. Oh, we better get Remy's babies back. They're complaining a lot. Let's see if we got some sliding down this ramp. Little fatty going down the ramp. Come on, little fatty. You can make it too. Yes, you can. Come on, everybody's watching, wants to see you do this. Oh, you little smarty. Oh, you're a smarty pants. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness, this is a little boy. This is a smarty pants little boy.
Aren't they cute?
They are sweet. Hi, kids. They're like, oh, we were sleeping. Cuties. So that's our tiny available girl. Oh my goodness, she's sweet. She is sweet. Look at my boot compared to her. Hi, Mama.